Hi there, this is our TOS universal mill, ex-government department, big heavy mill. The TOS are really renowned and well known. This one's is the knee type and with the universal swivelling table, and it's got the single axis head. This particular head's got the straight cut gears in it. Obviously it's three phase, it's got feeds and rapids. Alright, we'll start from the back here. So the back is as you see it in the photos, it's nice and tidy. You've got the coolant pump here, you've got the oil supply pump and sight glasses there, a light. I'll need the power on for that light to work. Feed motor, feed changes, it looks as though it's got a climb feature there, swivelling table. Activation for your feeds to your table, and it's got your feed direction here and neutral feed and rapids here, but it's also got a dual set of handles the other side of that knee, so you can operate it from this side here where you do your gear changes from. And there you go, that's nice and tidy there. So I'll put some power on it. So that's the oil pressure pump running, that's the coolant pump. I haven't had fluid in it. You've got your spindle direction there, and then your three ranges and your gears. I'll start that up. So that's in a slow range there, going anti-clockwise. I'll put that into neutral and change the direction. So that's your spindle direction, so now it's running clockwise. That's a feed. I'll show you the manual operation first. So that's really nice to operate in and out, and up and down feels good as well. Table's nice and easy to move, and minimum of backlash there. So all of those manual feeds, etc., feel nice to move. So I'll take you through those feeds. So that's the table feeding in and back out. I can slow that feed right down here. So that's a slower speed, and then I'll take it up to a higher speed. So that's changing nicely. I'll go slower again. Through those feeds, I'll head that in, feeding in, and rapid. So that's rapiding in now, and now feeding out and rapiding out. So that's your cross there. So I change it here for the table. So that's your table now. So that's how you change your feed where you want it. So it's feeding towards me and rapiding, and now I'll feed it the other way, so that's feeding that way, and now rapiding. So that's the feeds to that table, and now I've changed the feeds to the knee, so that's going down and rapiding. And now feeding up and rapiding up. So those are all the feeds and the rapids. Try that light. Yeah, that light's working. I've put a new wee coolant section on it there. Alright, we'll take it through and change some gears and gear ranges. So that's, I'll bump you into, so that's 43, that'll be 63, and next one will be 90, and now I'll change ranges, so that will be 125, 180, 250. Now I'll change ranges again. 355, 500, 710. Change ranges again. So into the third range now, 1000, 1400, and last one will be 2000. So those are all the speeds. I'll switch that power off. It's got your feed limit stops there, your dual control from the back. The straight cut heads are noisy, so you are getting quite a bit of noise from that. But they're really renowned, robust mills, very strong and heavy, and there it goes.